Good morning, students. I am Vijay Tiara, your maths teacher. Today, I will teach you exercise 4D, chapter 4, rational number. And before of this, I have sent you exercise 4A, 4B, 4C. And I expect to all of you, you have understood and also solved exercise 4A, 4B, 4C on your fair way. Okay, so today I am going to teach you exercise 4D and 4E also. Okay, then first of all I will explain subtraction of rational numbers. So before earlier exercise I have taught you how can you add more than two rational number, but in this exercise I am explaining here how can you subtract two or more than two rational number subtract. Okay, then 3 by 4 minus 1 by 5. According to rule of previous exercise, first of all we will take the LCM, means 20. After LCM, 4 divided by 20 means 5. 5 multiplied by 3, and 5 4 is 20, 4 multiplied by 1. After simplification, you will get 11 by 20. This is your answer of this question. Second part है additive inverse. Additive inverse की मीनिंग होती है कि आप जो भी नंबर्स आपका दिया गया, चाहे वो रेशनल नंबर हो और चाहे वो नेचुरल नंबर हो या कोई भी नंबर हो, चाहे पॉजिटिव हो या नेगेटिव, you can say if in integers, then it's very important which number you will add up particular numbers, that number become a 0. Okay, so then additive inverse of example आपका है additive inverse of 5 by 7 is equal to minus 5 by 7. In other language we can say sign, you can change sign of given numbers. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि 5 by 7 में क्या ऐड करें कि उसकी वैल्यू 0 आ जाए. तो 7 by 5 में आप देख सकते हैं कि minus 7 by 5 आप ऐड करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा, 0 आ जाएगा. Like this become 0. ओके, और अगर यहाँ पर साइन सपोज दैट माइनस होता तो यहाँ पर क्या आ जाता, प्लस 5 by 7 होता. इफ additive inverse of minus 5 by 7, then your answer is plus 5 by 7, because minus 5 by 7 and plus by 7, 5 by 7 become 0. So this is your subtraction of rational number and additive inverse. Now I am going to start exercise 4D. Clear? Exercise 4D. Okay. Here, first question of this exercise. Everybody take care. Everybody open exercise 4D and page number 72. So first question is additive inverse of 5. Question number exercise 4D. Question number first part first. Question है additive. I am giving solution of question of first part first. Additive inverse of 5 is equal to minus 5. It's your answer. Reason I have explained you. If you want you can write here, because plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Then answer is minus 5. आपको सिर्फ इतना ही राइट करना है, ये तो मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया, बट इफ यू वांट यू कैन show this in your solution. Okay, and now the all rest part you can self solve. Now I am going to solve question number 2, part number first. Question number 2, part first. What is the question? You will also see here. Part first, 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. Subtract 3 by 4, first part, from 1 by 3. What is the meaning of this question? What is the meaning of this question? Subtract करिए क्या 3 by 4 किससे 1 by 3 से 1 by 3 से 3 by 4 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, ना कि 3 by 4 को 1 by 3 से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. इसको हमेशा ध्यान रखना. तो 1 by 3 सब्ट्रैक्टेड by 3 by 4. The same process, LCM 12, 3 4 जा 12, minus 4 4 3 जा 12, 3 3 जा 9, and minus 5 by 12. It's your answer. Okay. Now you can solve rest of all parts. Solve. After this, question number 3. So question number 3, I am telling here. Question number 3. Question number 2 and question number 3, not very different. They are as like near about. They are same. Only something difference. Only minor difference. Question number 3, part number I am taking part 6. Okay. 7 by 11. 7 by 11 not. This not. 8. Part number 8. Because question number जो आपका 6 है उसका डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, तो आई वांट टू सॉल्व डिफरेंट डिनोमिनेटर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड का पार्ट 8 है. माइनस 5 बाई 8 माइनस 8 माइनस 3 बाई. ओके. तो माइनस 5 बाई 8 माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस 3 बाई 4 means same situation. We will take the LCM given decimal number. After LCM you will get 8 minus 5 plus 6. Then your answer is given by 8. The rest of all parts you can self solve. Now I am going to solve question number 4. Question number 4. Okay. So then question number 4. Read question number 4 of this exercise. Question number 4, exercise 4B. Subtract the sum of this from the sum of this. यानी two decimal number का addition है. First of all and second part also addition of two decimal number. After that you will subtract these numbers. Minus 36 by 11 plus 49 by 22. Taking LCM, you will get 22. 11 2s are 36 multiplied by 2 plus 49 minus 72 plus 49 divided by 22. 23 divided by 23 divided by 22. Here minus sign. Here minus sign. Okay. Sign minus sign. Clear? अब क्या है यहाँ पर दोनों को हमें क्या करना है? सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. सॉरी, हमें दोनों को ऐड करना है. तो जब हम ऐड करेंगे, क्वेश्चन में आप देखें, जब हम इसको ऐड करेंगे तो क्या पाएंगे इसमें हम? इसको ध्यान दीजिए आप. जब इसको आप ऐड करेंगे तो 36 2 जा 72 and here 49. Your question given 49. तो 36 2 जा 72 and plus 49. जब आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, आपका यहाँ 3 आएगा. 6 में से 4 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 2 आएगा. minus 23 upon 22. ओके. ये तो आपका फर्स्ट पार्ट है. इसके बाद क्वेश्चन नंबर, इसी का क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड पार्ट है 33 divided by 8 plus in bracket minus 19 by 4. Okay. और अब इसमें आप क्या करेंगे, एलसीएम लेंगे। एलसीएम लेके क्या करेंगे आप, 33 डिवाइड बाई 8 माइनस 19 अपॉन 4 प्लस इंटू माइनस बिकम माइनस, ओके। एलसीएम इज 8, देन 33 माइनस 4 2 जा 38 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 5/8। अब क्वेश्चन ये है कि देखिए, अगर क्वेश्चन को रीड आप करते हैं तो सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस फ्रॉम दिस, ये हुआ। तो अब आप इसको नेक्स्ट पार्ट देखिए, ओके ओके स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर, यस, इसके बाद आपका, okay students, sorry for the disturbance, okay, now I am going to solve once again. Minus 5 by 8, then minus 23 by 22, okay, it's equal to, sorry, it's equal to minus 5 by 8 minus into minus become plus 23 upon 22. Taking LCM of this rational number 8 and 28, you will get 88. 8 11 are 88 minus 5 into 11 plus 22 4 are 88, 23 multiplied by 4 minus 55 and plus 92 divided by 88 is equal to 37 upon 88, okay. So this is your answer of this question, okay. After this question number 4, I think you have understood. Now I am solving question number next, question number 5. Question number 5 is very important. Question number 5. So first of all, I am reading question number 5. The sum of two rational number is 4 by 21, and one number of them is 5 by 7. Find the other number. This type of question, I think you are reading from class 4, 5, 6, and in this class also. Okay. So question number 5, but this type of question also very important. First number and second number. This type of questions, you know, given in the question in the form of product and the form of addition. Okay. So question number 5, solution. Question number 5. So sum of two rational number is equal to 4 upon 21, and one rational number is equal to 5 by 7, and other number आप कह सकते हैं या रेशनल नंबर एच बी वाट। अब सॉल्यूशन क्या होता है कि देखिए, फर्स्ट रेशनल नंबर प्लस सेकेंड या अदर बोथा से अदर रेशनल नंबर इज इक्वल टू सम ऑफ टू रेशनल number, okay. First rational number is given in the question 5 by 7 plus other rational number is equal to sum of two rational number 21, okay, 21. Then other rational number I have told you many times, side change then sign change, and if no side change then no sign change. Then 4 upon 21 the same side, and 5 by 7 side change. Then this become minus 5 by 7. Minus 5 by 7. taking LCM, okay, LCM, what do you mean here? After LCM, 21, 4 minus 7, 3 is 21, minus 3 into 5, 4 minus 15 upon 21 is equal to minus 11 upon 21. So this is your answer. Yeah, this is your solution of this question. Now I am going to explain question number. What should be added? क्वेश्चन आपका है क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. What should be added? तो जो what should be added होता है उसमें क्या क्वेश्चन होता है कि जो भी क्वेश्चन हम आपको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं what should be added. This is very important question. What should be added? What should be added? Okay. What should be added? क्वेश्चन नंबर ये है क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Let the required number be x. Let the required number be x. अब उसमें हम क्या ऐड कर रहे हैं? मतलब x क्या क्वेश्चन है कि -3 अपॉन 8 में हम क्या ऐड करेंगे? -3 अपॉन 8 में हम क्या ऐड करेंगे कि 5/12 हमको मिल जाएगा. तो हमने माना x ऐड करेंगे. सेम सिचुएशन 5/12 साइड चेंज 3/8 LCM 24 5 3s are 5 2s are plus 8 3 into 3 10 upon 10 plus 9 24 is equal to 19 upon 24. Okay, so this is your solution of this question. And what should we subtract? Question number 14. Question number 14. Okay. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 में आप देखें क्वेश्चन में कि व्हाट शुड बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड. जो आपका नंबर दिया गया उसमें क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करें कि आपका आ जाए क्या नंबर आपको मिल जाए कि 5/6 मिल जाए. तो हम लेते हैं कि लेट द रिक्वायर्ड नंबर बी x. क्या हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो किससे सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे? -3/4 minus x is equal to 5/6. तो minus x is equal to 5/6 side change sign change. Okay, and LCM 12. 6 2s are 5 2s are 10 and 4 3s are 9 and 19/12 and minus x. आप जानते हैं कि वेरिएबल नेगेटिव में नहीं होता है और उसको हम किसमें करते हैं? पॉजिटिव में. तो यहाँ पर हम लिखेंगे x is equal to minus 19/12. This is your answer of this question. So in this type exercise 4D is totally finished. Thanks a lot of all of you.